Run the Dish shows you how to make gluten-free pumpkin muffins. You'll need a cup and a half of gluten-free flour. Make sure you get the kind with xanthan gum in it, as xanthan gum helps improve texture and structure in gluten-free baked goods. You'll need 1 teaspoon salt, half a cup melted coconut oil, 2 eggs, a 1/3 cup maple syrup, 1 cup pumpkin puree, 2 teaspoons baking powder, half a teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and about a 1/4 a cup of white chocolate chips for topping. Preheat your oven to 375 Fahrenheit and coat your cup muffin tin. In a medium bowl, you're going to mix the flour, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon. Then in a large bowl, whisk the eggs. Oops. Then add the pumpkin puree, coconut oil, maple syrup, and the vanilla extract. Combine dry and wet ingredients together. Just until combined. Alright, this batter is going to make roughly 10 to 12 muffins. And now for your toppings! Here at Run the Dish, we chose white chocolate chips just to be festive for the holidays. Now into that oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And voila! Allow muffins to cool in tin for 5 minutes before transferring to a cooler surface, such as a cutting board or a wired rack. So enjoy these wonderful, healthy version of pumpkin muffins from your favorite running channel, Run the Dish.